Hi there, everyone. It's Alessandro and Felipe here from Hexagro Urban Farming. Today we're gonna have to talk, unfortunately, through Skype, recording our webinar because we couldn't make it for being there with you in Berlin. We developed the first easy to use and customize, the most easy to use and customizable indoor farming system, the living farming tree. It is a modular, scalable, and automated system that can basically be assembled in any geometry you would like to put in your indoor environment and can adapt to almost any crop type that can be grown aeroponically. And today Felipe with us will explain us a little bit more our research process for the LED lights. So Felipe, if you want to start from how did we come up with these solutions?
Hi everyone, thank you Alessandro for the introduction. The main purpose of this system is to offer a full modular solution that can be expanded, that can be customized, and most importantly, that adapts to the needs of several crops and several environments. So the basic concept of the lighting system for the living farming tree is the extreme modularity, and because of this we developed a modular smart LED lighting system. It consists of a hexagon board that controls the different spectrum of the light, red and blue, and this way the lights can adapt to the type of crop and its specific growth stage. So every hexagon in the connectors of our system can be equipped with several actuators, for example fans, heaters, cameras, or in this case lights. So in each hexagonal face of the nodes you can plug a LED light module and set up which crop is it supposed to grow. So the blue and red light color mixing will be separately manipulated into channels in order to have different receipts for different plant species. So a different momentum of the photosynthetical growth. Let's say that these LEDs were chosen because of a series of advantages. For example, the small packaging and minimal dimensions of the lights allow us to have a dynamic variation of the light intensity and also the spectral power distribution. We had developed our own heat sinks so that the lights don't lose energy in heat, and of course these lights are very efficient, very powerful, so they also irradiate heat to the plants, and this is useful as well. Yes, so currently we are using 12 LED lights, and they have a proportion of 1 to 3. So we are using 9 hyper red Osram Oslon SSL 120 lights, and 3 of them as well with the deep blue spectrum. We have developed our own boards to assemble it to the nodes of the system, and we have like very good properties regarding the light, so we can reach efficient photosynthesis. The reason we have reevaluated the colors that we will implement for the lighting is because of the feedback some users and some visitors in the exhibition have told us. Probably the violet light is very could be disturbing in a living environment or in an environment where you have people staying for long times. For example, if you would put it in a restaurant, probably some people may feel uncomfortable. So we are implementing a new color, which is warm white, and this would help to have a more decorative lighting. So the new proposal is to offer a very nice, good-looking system that can also have a functionality of lamp as a lamp for interiors. So it's a garden, but it's also a lamp. Let's say that the light engine takes into account thermal dissipation. The distance from crops was calculated. Also, the uniform lighting on the surface for cultivation allows us to not lose lighting around in the space. We are also developing reflectors to redirect all of this light in a single point. We are using lenses to focus the light as well. And people comfort the light will also have a comfort value, but most importantly, a communicative value, because, for example, when the lights turn red, it means that a module is presenting a trouble, so the user can easily visualize if the system needs to be attended. And for example, when the lights turn blue, it means that it's irrigating, so the user can't open the modules, otherwise the water will go out. This is more or less the proposal in terms of colors and how we are using it for plant growth, but also user experience.
Yeah, and then I would add, just to close up this conversation, we basically at first develop our systems to grow from microgreens up to salads and aromatic herbs and spices. The lights we chose are specifically designed for fresh herbs, for aromatic herbs, as I said, spices, of course, and cannabis. That's another very interesting market. And ideally, we will develop more of other specific systems for other geometries and other plants, specifically like the higher plants such as tomatoes or cucumbers, that plants that can grow even higher and then probably need different and they do need different needs for their plant growth, right, Felipe?
Exactly. So we have been supported by the LED Lab design from Politecnico di Milano. So we have been consulting them for the LED lighting selection. Let's say that we want a very flexible option for our customers. As Alessandro mentioned, we are able to grow a variety of plants, and the most important thing now is determining the right levels of spectrum for each kind of crop and each step of plant growth. So it will be completely automated. We are able to measure the height and the number of leaves in the system, and the lights will change depending on this. But for example, we also have a series of sensors throughout the system, so we are able to find light energy efficiency. For example, if the sunlight is reaching the system, the sensors will understand that there is no need of extra artificial lighting, and the lights will turn off automatically. So that way the user can save energy. Even though LED lights are very energy efficient, we are trying to assess also the energy saving. So for example, the system, depending on the crop type that you select, will know when to turn off the lights, because the lights don't need to be on 24 hours. So plants need also to have their sleeping hours, let's say, and the system is able to determine this automatically. So we're offering a very complete solution that is decorative, it's communicative, but also very efficient regarding plant growth.
Good. Well, I hope we kind of answered all your questions, and if you ever need any more feedbacks or just get in contact to us, don't hesitate. This the email. It's right here. And I would leave you just by saying unite for food. Felipe, you can also help us out spreading the voice.
And by the way, I would like to add that we are looking for partners that can help us with the research and development of our lighting systems. Also, providers that can offer us different solutions. We haven't established a partnership with any company yet. We have just been on the talks. So we're open to proposals. We're open to experiment and to find new solutions, also to develop new proposals. So thanks a lot for the opportunity. And I would like also to say unite for food.
Unite for food. Bye.